how to get motivated for spring cleaning. It's myOrganized.life for March 26, 2018. Well, hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, it's good. Hey, last week it was...
The first day of spring
Right.
was last week. Exciting.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about this today on myOrganized.life Live. Welcome, Monday, March 26th. I'm John Hunt.
I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we're going to give you organizing tips, advice, get your comments. In fact, right now, if you want to just put in the comment section where you're watching from, and if it's really spring there yet. I mean, like, does it feel like spring?
Yeah, sometimes it's a huge question mark around this time of year.
Yeah. Some places like San Diego, it goes from 70 to 73.
Yeah.
Minnesota, it can be more drastic. Yeah. So have you done your spring cleaning yet?
No, I have not.
Why not?
I don't know. Because I haven't had anyone to talk to about it to get me motivated to do it.
Oh man,
yeah,
what a perfect segment. You know, we happen to have Ellen DeLapp with us. Ellen, welcome to myOrganized.life Live. How are you today?
Good. Hi, John. Hi, Leanne. How are y'all?
Good, thanks.
We were just thinking of you because she's not motivated. I'm never motivated to do spring cleaning, so which is not even, we're not going to go there on that one. But anyway, we're going to talk to you about how to get motivated, right?
Exactly. I love talking with people about how to get motivated because that's actually one of the hardest parts of getting organized is just getting started and getting motivated.
It's more than just turning on some music and, grabbing a Starbucks or something if you're John, right? It's just more than that.
Well, it could be a bit more than that. I think one of the most things is like setting a date. I see a lot of procrastination in this area, productive procrastination, but still procrastination. So setting a date is one of the most critical elements. Actually really writing it on your calendar like it's an appointment, just like you're having an appointment with your dentist or any other appointment. So write it in.
All right, so tip number one, write it in.
Write it down, yeah.
Write it down. I think that makes a lot of sense. My wife's going to take one of those, precious Saturdays probably to do this, but
and she'll have you cleaning all the windows. She'll say just start with one, but then
that's her technique.
All the windows in your house will be clean.
Yes. Okay. All right. How about another tip to be motivated? So we've got the date.
Well, I think your wife has the right idea there. Gather a team, because this is not something you want to do by yourself. So you want to either gather a team that's your family or some outside resources, like maybe some teenagers that are in your community that want to make a few extra bucks. Find out about what resources might come to your home to pick things up so you don't even have to take them away. So getting your team together is very essential because organizing can be very isolating and it's not very much fun that way. But when you're working with other people, it's a lot more fun and goes by a lot faster.
Okay, so we got the team.
Team.
How about you come over and help my wife clean my house while I go out and play golf? Actually, that will not fly either, but okay. So. All right.
Okay,
but at least
so
I get Starbucks out of the deal.
Maybe get some bribes going in there to get them to help, right?
Bribes help all the time. Okay. Food.
Good.
All things.
All right. What's another tip then to keep us motivated? We need more help.
Well, I think you need to be super decisive about what to keep and what not to keep, because a lot of times we're in that like just in case concept, like, oh, I might keep this just in case because someone might come over that needs this baby stroller and needs to, take their baby for a walk. So I think just knowing I haven't used it in whatever number of years, like you define what that is. So right away, it's something you want to let go of. Right. So kind of write down your reasons that you're going to let things go. I usually come down to how frequently you use it. Like if I haven't used it in a year, it really is probably something that should leave my house because it's taking up some real estate that I don't really need it here.
Right.
It's kind of a good technique for your closet too. If you're going to tie your closet clean out into spring cleaning, get that shirt out that you haven't worn in months or maybe years to free up that hanger.
Exactly.
Yeah. By the way, folks, if you have any comments or questions that you can go ahead and put them on the page. Even if you're watching this on the replay, we'll check back on this page and on this particular show and see what we can do. Ellen will probably check in too. So make sure you include those in your comments as well.
Yep.
Great. All right. Do you have any more motivation for us, Ellen?
I think the biggest motivation is envisioning what you want the space to look like at the end.
Okay.
Like some of us really are minimalists. We want to just see some white space there. We want to see blank walls. We want to see open shelving. So when you know what the end should look like for you, that's really powerful.
Right. Okay, good.
That's a great tip.
All right, now one other tip that we might want to do is if someone needs help with spring cleaning or motivation, can they call you or look you up on the web?
Absolutely. I work virtually with clients, so sometimes it's just as easy as working in the same space.
Right.
I work by people send me pictures all the time. I do work by FaceTime also, and so it's easy to get in contact with me at professional-organizer.com.
Awesome. Well,
Nice.
Ellen, thanks for joining us.
Thank you,
Are you a little
Ellen.
more motivated now?
I think so.
You're going to get that date down?
Yes. I'm going to mark
Okay.
it on my calendar, set some time aside, and just go for it.
Yes, and you know what we're going to do is we're going to keep you accountable.
Okay.
Why?
That's right.
Because you need an accountability partner, right?
That's right, and we're going to talk about that this Wednesday.
Oh my gosh, everything just ties together.
The segues are incredible on this show.
I know.
So
You'd think we'd have professional writers or something.
Yes, you'd think that, but absolutely not.
No.
So, well, Ellen, thanks for joining us, and I know we've got a podcast coming up with you coming up in the next few weeks, and so people will hear about that as well. We'll cover more on spring cleaning and the decluttering, so looking forward to that as well.
Thanks so much, guys.
All right.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Good. All right. So we've got the accountability coming up Wednesday and Thursday. This is a short week too, by the way, because we have Friday off, which means
Good Friday.
Good Friday. So
no show.
You can come back to the page and look at some of the old shows
If you really want.
Yeah,
if you're
but
desperate.
we won't be here. So, but we will be back tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time, 3 Eastern, and noon Pacific, right here on Facebook Live. Right?
Right.
Okay.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you then.